Good day, folks. Sean here from Air Photography. So the Insta360 Go 3S is making a comeback, this time with a new retro look and an optical viewfinder, giving it that nostalgic feel of old school street photography. The core camera has the same powerful specs as its predecessor. It can capture in 4K, it has built-in stabilization, and it has several different types of capture modes. Now what is different is the new viewfinder that comes with it. The Go 3S Retro package does not come with an action pod. Instead, it comes with this viewfinder, and this keeps the whole setup light and minimal and a lot of fun to use. This viewfinder is completely optical. There's no power in it at all. Essentially, all you do is use it at waist level. You look down through the viewfinder here, and it's going to help you roughly line up your shot. The front optical viewfinder will turn into a selfie mirror, allowing you to easily capture a quick selfie on the go. You simply have to take this magnetic tab off the bottom, cover the top of the viewfinder there. That will turn that into a mirror because it doesn't let light down inside. Pop in your camera and you can easily capture a selfie and line it up via the mirror. Now, as you can see here, it comes in a few different styles depending on your taste, and a strap is included that allows you to wear it around your neck for easy access. The Go 3S Retro Bundle is really geared to street photography. Those who don't want to be bogged down with gear, they want something small and minimal and something that's fun to use. It's also great just for those who want to capture some point of view shots, perhaps some impromptu vlogging. Now, just like all Go 3S cameras, this camera can be fully utilized all by itself. It features a simple one button design. A single press on it will take a photo, and a double press on it will start capturing video. Pressing and holding will power it on and power it off. And the button functionality is fully customizable in the Insta360 app. The camera module is fully compatible with the Go 3S magnetic mount system, and the package also includes the magnetic mount, allowing you to easily capture chest-mounted point-of-view shots. So an extremely versatile camera for capturing simple and easy point-of-view shots. And just due to its size, you can capture in ways you can't capture with larger cameras. Larger cameras can sometimes get in the way. The Go 3S is tiny. It comes in at like 39 grams, so you'll be able to mount this and not even know it's there. The camera itself features 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, so for most people that's going to be more than adequate. And the package also includes a battery pack. This battery pack can extend the recording time when attached to the back of the unit, but this is also how you charge it up when the battery gets depleted. You can expect 38 minutes from the camera module itself. When the battery pack is attached, you can expect an additional 38 minutes for a total of 76 minutes. This battery pack also supports magnetic mounting, so you can attach it to any type of the Insta360 Go 3S magnetic mounts. It can also be used while using the camera independently or in conjunction with the retro viewfinder. All you have to simply do is pop out the back, place your camera in, and then just attach the battery pack at the back. It's still nice and minimal, but it is going to extend your shooting time. There is going to be an optional carrying case for those who want to add some protection to their camera. You can see it just slides down nicely inside there. So that might be a nice option for some people as well. Now, when it comes to previewing the content, sharing the content, or you just want to change some of the settings of the camera, you can connect to it in a few different ways. Of course, you can do it the traditional method. Just launch the Insta360 app. It'll pick up the camera and you can just go on ahead and connect. But this custom skin has NFC built right into it. So all you have to do is bring it close to your phone. You can see it's going to pick it up and it's going to go ahead and launch and connect to it right away. As you can see, that also gives you a live preview. If you need to frame your shot, you can also go in and adjust all your settings. And then of course, customize that front button. It also supports live activities, so as you can see here, right from your phone's lock screen, it's going to give you important information such as the mode you're in, the battery power, how much storage you have. You can even go ahead and tap the shutter button to take a photo or start and stop recording, all from the lock screen. So a fun little mini camera if you want to capture some of your family vacations, adventures. Just have a small minimal camera with you at all times, just to help tell your story and share some of your activities on social media. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.